Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics 10. So in this video I am going to talk about the touch type tool. So let's get started. So touch type tool is located just below the type tool, just over here. And for some reason if you don't find it over here, then you can simply go to these three dots, click and find it from here. I will show you. Let's say I want to add this tool, vertical area type tool. So it is not there, that's why it is active, and the touch type tool it is already there, so it is inactive. So if I want this to be added in the toolbox, simply click and drag just like this, so it will be added in the toolbox. So it is located just over here, touch type tool. Now if we type anything using the touch type tool, we can create really cool text logos. So for example, I will write down something. I will change the font first. So let's say I will keep this font. I will increase the size simply from here, and I will type. So as you all know, using the text tool we can change the color. Like if I want to change individual letter colors, I can simply select the letters and I can change the color like this. And again I can change the size individually from here. I can change the spacing, which is in the paragraph panel, maybe just over here like this. So I can change the spacing, letter spacing, I can change the line spacing, and also the kerning, the gap between two letters. But what if I want to create something really cool, just like a logo? So we have extra options when we use the touch type tool. So using the touch type tool, we can again change individual letter like this. We can move individual letters. Again we can change the color like this, but we can also rotate the letters using, again we can increase the size just like this, increase the size, we can rotate, we can change the spacing just like this. So let's say if I want to do this, maybe let's say we'll give this color like this. So as you can see, we can change the individual letter just like this, change the color. You can also change the font if you want. So let's see if I want to change the font. Let's say I want to use this one just like this. If you want to rotate, you can rotate. Say this one, and just simply click and choose whatever you want to do. So just like this, we can create text logos. You may have seen many of the logos are just simply text, they don't have any symbols or icons. So we can create titles as well as text logos using the touch type tool. So that is why we can use touch type tool creatively, because it has extra options as compared to the normal text tool. So that's it for this video. If you find this video useful, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.